Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to switch profiles on Peacock. To switch profiles on Peacock, follow these steps till the end of the video. Go ahead and open up a web browser from your computer or your mobile devices and type in peacocktv.com and search. Make sure that you are logged into your Peacock TV account after entering your correct credentials. Once you open up Peacock, click on the profile icon at the top right hand corner. From the list of profiles available, go ahead and select a different profile that you want to switch to. And that's it. You should now be logged into a selected profile on Peacock. So that is how you easily switch between profiles on Peacock in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.